Hey guys and gals, it's Sweet Project Cars, a cool, trick, and affordable way for the do-it-yourselfer. Today, it's absolutely beautiful in Pensacola, Florida. It's hot already, and I think it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, and the sun is baking the skin off the side of my face already. Hey guys and gals, Sweet Project Cars, as I said earlier, I'm really frustrated at this moment, and when I get frustrated, I had to come up with a cure to my frustration. And that is, I thought to myself, why do I have two different tools in my garage to work on my car or my bike? And I got a creeper, so when you're down low, ceramic coating your rocker panels or spraying on your detail spray, or I'm working on my bike over here and I've got to be down low as well. But then when I want to get up under my bike, I'm laying on the ground like a reptile on his belly. It's got to stop. So what I did was I did some investigation and I found a really cool tool. I got to share it with you. I contacted the company, told them if they pitched us a few bucks, we would share it with you guys. You're going to love this thing. It's cheap. I got them to give us a discount code, limited time. I don't know how many they're going to have in stock, but again, if you don't go get one, it's your loss. I'm warning you. That's all I'm doing.
Where are the tools, Hammer?
Well, Julio is on vacation again. I think this is 6 times he's been on vacation. Julio, tell everybody where all the tools are located.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar, Chavez, Rodriguez, Jorge Johnson, Ted Nugent, and guess who else he added?
Kid Rock.
Kid Rock. He's so impressed with Kid Rock being online so much lately. See, what I was using, this pile right here. So I would use this, and it works good for right here, but the problem is getting down low, because I like to ceramic coat up underneath on the rocker panels. Then I wanted to get under my bike, and I'm laying on my side, on my back, and I'm getting sick of that. So what I did was, I ended up, this is going in the shite can, and I've got this right here. Check this thing out. This thing is bad to the bone, and I'm not kidding you. I can sit on this thing just like you normally would a stool, and say I'm going to put some detail spray on this rig right here. And on top of that, I can take this bugger and wheel right over here to this bad boy. I'll get a Consuelo to come around on this side and show you that it's a very comfortable little rig. It'll hold 300 pounds, and I can sit here and do my bike all day long. But again, there's only one discount code, and that's for us, so if you don't get one while you can, you're going to be missing out. I want to get up underneath my bike. What do? I do this number right here. All you do, spring loaded, and I take that, lay that down, and I'm on my side, just like this. Now I can do my pipes.
That is sweet.
This is sweet. And this new spray we're using right here, you gotta check it out. It'll be in the tools list. I'm absolutely blown away by it. We use their car wash soap. We're trying this out and been blown away with it. But this little creeper, it's heavy duty. It's got good, hard, solid wheels. It's a breeze to put together. And I'm gonna do the rockers down here. So when you're doing your ceramic coating, you can be down here and you can move your way down as you go. It's like this. Now, if it wasn't carpeted, my garage is carpeted. If it wasn't carpeted, it would roll really simple. I want to go back up where I was. I pull the spring-loaded how you doing. Do that number, and I plop right down. And it's heavy duty. I mean, I weigh 240 pounds. I'm working on getting rid of this, so I'll probably be down to like 160 once I get rid of this. I mean, I can easily go around where I need to go. You're gonna love this. We're trying to get good deals for you right now with the economy the way it is. We're trying to get you hooked up. Great Christmas present, great Father's Day gift, great birthday present. I'm telling you, it's simple. Ladies, you're gonna love this thing. You can do it all, and guess what? That's all I've got to hang up right here. I can hang that thing on the wall right there if I want, anywhere. I don't have to have two tools, and I can take this pile and give it to file 13. Guess what, you guys? Sweet Project Cars out.